premier commercial property management service. We offer commercial property service including landscape maintenance, snow removal, landscape construction, and many more. Landscape management. We can meet your needs for property landscape maintenance to landscape construction. Snow and ice removal. Take the worry out of winter and let Premier Property Management melt your snow and ice. Landscape construction. No matter what your commercial or industrial landscaping needs are, Premier is here to help. Parking lot maintenance. Keep your parking lot looking sharp and maximize your space with Premier. Turf care. Get the plush green lawn you've been dreaming of with Premier Commercial Property Management. Call or text. We are in Ottawa at area code 613-804-3336.